opponents to a minimum, Magu.
Ginebra has one on the shot clock. Japet bails them out. Pero watch out para sa Meralco. Bumalik first half. LA's teardrop cuts this deficit to 10.
It's a thing of beauty. This looks so nice.
Unahin mo sa posisyon. Oh. Newsom and Thompson getting entangled again. At iimbestigahan ng mga referee ito. Ano nakita mo doon, El Patron?
Parang nakulit yung ano dun eh. Parang nakuli. Left side of your screens. It's not, sorry, it's not his character eh.
They were found on penalty one for tripping the contact on the